Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you today, I have received the sample from the Lancome, and thank you so much Lancome for sending me this sample. And I am going to try this. Actually this is the serum, and what it is used for: targets of key signs of aging, firmness, wrinkles free, dark spots. It works on it. So what the sample is, let me tell you. Let me show you out this one. In this sheet you will find it out what there are three small amount of sample here, and I will try 1 2 3 all of three, and obviously it will help me for anti-aging and wrinkle free my skin. And after using it, after getting its results, then I will must share the video and write review on the Lancome as well. So thank you so much Lancome for sending me this sample and today. And actually this is the serum, and quantity is small, but obviously it must work as well. If I will get good results, then obviously I will share my reviews about how it is working on your skin, on my skin as well. And obviously I will share with you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the time to say you goodbye, and thank you so much Lancome for sending me. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. It's time to say bye bye.
Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.